Welcome back to UK Garden Birdwatch. In this video, we are going to take a look at the different types of feeds that we use for feeding the garden birds that visit us here at UK Garden Birdwatch HQ. First up, we have a wild bird seed mix that we buy in bulk. In the past, we have used this on table feeders, but following the recent update from the RSPB about the possibility of the use of surface feeding spreading diseases, we now only use this in hanging dispensers such as this one, which can be filled with the seeds and then the birds can feed from the dispensers at the bottom. We do still, however, spread some seeds on the ground for the larger birds such as blackbirds, but we take care to scatter them in different places and remove any leftover seeds each morning to reduce the risk of disease. Next up, we have peanut kernels, which again we buy in bulk. These are used in this hanging cage dispenser. These are particularly popular with the great tits and blue tits. The third feed that we use are suet balls, which again we buy in bulk and which we use in dispensers such as this one, where the birds can easily feed from them. Finally, the last type of feed that we are currently using are suet blocks, which include crushed mealworms, or in some cases, depending on where we buy from, whole mealworms or fruits and berries. These come individually wrapped and go in this hanging plastic cage, like so. These and the suet balls are loved by the robins. We will leave you now with some video of the garden birds here at UK Birdwatch HQ enjoying the different types of feed. Until next time, goodbye and please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.